guys, welcome back to Unboxing Fun. In today's video we're going to unbox the Casio Youth series watch, and the model name is D191. I have bought this from Flipkart for rupees 1200 and the MRP mentioned is 3995. So let's see what's inside the box. Here's the watch. The user manual, warranty card, and a letter from the brand itself. So as you can see, it's mentioned made in China, and the water resistant is 10 bar, that is 100 meters. The size is quite big, and you can switch modes from here for alarm, timer, stopwatch, for date setting, and this is for the light. Okay, so let's check the weight of this watch. It weighs around 53 grams, quite light enough, and the strap is made up of resin, and the body is also made up of plastic, and this front, I think it's steel, just the dial, and the glass is very prone to scratches. As you can see here, it has got many scratches. If you want to register this watch, just go visit the website and enter this model number. Let me show you the side-by-side comparison of this watch with Casio F91W. Okay guys, so see, there is a huge difference. It's quite big, and this is the smaller one. And the buckle is also made up of plastic. This is a good watch for daily use and best for rough usage. If you get this for around 1200 or something, then just go for it. Don't buy this above 1500 or 1700 something. Just wait for some price drop. The best buy links will be in the description box below. And if you have any doubts regarding this watch, feel free to comment down below and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching guys.